Welcome to Fitback, where we believe in empowering physical literacy for everyone. Today, we'll explore how our fitness class report can be a game changer for teachers, helping them guide students on their journey to improved fitness. Let's dive into the fitness class report, a comprehensive tool designed to provide valuable insights on fitness status of specific class, for both teachers and students. This is important for better planning and performing of PE lessons. To use the Fitback class report, access the Fitback website, press the Fitness Report tab and select Make Group Report. Download the Excel data template, fill it with fitness scores of students of individual class and then upload it to the platform. It's that easy. Before generating fitness class report, you should select period of exercising. This will set individual students' fitness scores targets. If you only want to see how fit your students are currently, you should select period 0 months. Next, press Download Report. The class report is divided into 3 different sections: the test scores, the structure of group by health risk zones, and the distribution of scores within the group. Come along and let's see how they can be useful to improve your planning of PE classes. The test scores section gives a snapshot of class overall fitness. Teachers can quickly identify strengths and areas that need improvement, laying the foundation for personalized guidance. This section will aid the physical education teacher on identifying students who are struggling with a given fitness component, but also identify priorities for the work to be carried out in classes with each group and/or with subgroups of students. Physical education teachers will find it easy to interpret the health-related zones, the green, yellow, and red, since their students' raw values are depicted in a color-blind fashion. The test scores table has also additional information on what is the cutoff value or target score for the next health-related zone for specific tests. If the student's score is located on the yellow zone, the cutoff value presented is that of the transition of the yellow to the green zone. Moreover, teacher can access to interactive individual fitness report by clicking report icon next to each student name. Second part of Fitback class report presents how many students in class are in each health-related zone. This information allows PE teachers to quickly recognize health risk of class associated with scores in specific tests. Thus, this part of the class report can be leveraged to advocate for collaborative interventions involving school management, the local community, parents, and the healthcare sector. Last part of class report illustrates distribution of scores by a dot plot. The students' raw values are color-blind to ease the interpretation of the health-related zones, the green, yellow, and red. The graphics also provides numeric information for the first quartile, the median and the third quartile in each of the fitness tests. This plot provides teacher information how fitness exercising should be organized by subgroups of students with similar fitness levels. Teachers receiving personalized recommendations based on student data. Use also the Fitback site to link to other scenarios on how the class report may be useful. Fitback goes beyond reporting. It provides actionable insights. By using the Fitback class report, teachers will have a better overview of their students' fitness level, which will allow them to use that information in a plethora of different scenarios with the overarching goal of improving their physical education classes. In the Fitback Physical Literacy Toolkit, the physical education teachers can find several ideas on how the Fitback class report can work in synergy with other scenarios. Fitback is not just a platform, it's a fitness ally for teachers and students alike. With the fitness class report, we're revolutionizing the way physical fitness is approached in classrooms. Join us in shaping a healthier, more active future. Until next time.